Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bank door gasket in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bank door gasket. This ice bank door gasket is installed on the ice maker compartment door, also known as an ice bank. The gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the ice bank. If there's an ice frost buildup on the ice bank interior, check the ice bank door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. Alright, next I'm going to open the ice door. First we're going to unlatch it by pulling on the handle, and then I'm going to open it. So this is the door gasket that we're going to replace. Before removing the old gasket, I would suggest we're going to see if the new gasket will fit. Looks like a perfect fit. And then I would like you to see a little look here in the corner, on the top and on the bottom. And you see little cutouts. This is how it's going to go in. With the two cutouts, we'll go into this inner portion of the door. We're going to remove the old gasket by pulling it out. I'm going to try to peel it out, and we can use the flat blade screwdriver to pry it. And just start it, and we can do the rest without the screwdriver. And I would recommend, if you will find something like that, wash it with the soap and the sponge. This is the old ice bank door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I guess I'm going to show you how this gasket will go in. You see that ridge, and we're going to turn it over, and the ridge goes into the groove. I'm going to start with one of the corners. I'm going to press it in. No click left behind. So we need to click all of them. All right, check it. Make sure that it's completely locked. Now I'm going to close the ice door, latch it, and close the French door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.